Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the first question in exercise 7.7. Let's look at the first subdivision, integral of dx divided by root of 1 plus 4x squared. So for this, we are going to actually take the coefficient 4 outside this x squared. So let's do that. So this becomes integral dx root of, from every term inside the square root, I'm taking 4 outside. So 4 into 1 by 4 plus x squared. So this way the 4 is coefficient is removed from the x squared. Now the next step, I'm going to remove this 4 from the square root itself. So this will become integral 1 by 2 dx by square root of 1 by 4 plus x squared. Now this 1 by 2 is a constant, so I can also take it outside the integration. So this is 1 by 2 integral dx divided by square root of 1 by 4 plus x squared. Now if you look at the formula, integral of dx divided by square root of x square plus a square, the formula is going to be log of x plus square root of x square plus a squared plus c. So I'm going to apply that particular formula here to find the solution. So this is 1 by 2 log of x plus, remember here this is going to be 1 by 2 the whole square. So I'm treating that as a square. So this will be root of a square, which is 1 by 4 plus x squared plus c. Now we can take LCM outside of this. So this will become 1 by 2 log of x plus, before we take LCM, I'm going to put this here. So this is 1 plus 4x squared divided by root 4. I'm taking the root and leaving this as 2 plus c. Now take LCM. So this is 1 by 2 log of 2x plus square root of 1 plus 4x squared. The whole thing divided by 2 plus c will be there. So I can split this as minus of half log 2, because log of a by b is log a minus log b. So I can split this as half log this whole expression by minus half log 2 plus c. Either way, half log 2 is going to be a constant, so I can match it out with c. So in the next step, I'm simply removing the denominator. So the final answer will be half log 2x plus root of 1 plus 4x squared plus c. Now let's take up the second subdivision in this question. In the second subdivision, first I'm going to take this 9 outside this x square coefficient. So this will become integral dx divided by root of 9 into x square minus 16 by 9. Next step, I'm going to take the 9 outside the root. So this will become 1 by 3 dx divided by root of x squared minus 16 by 9. 1 by 3 is a constant, take it out. So 1 by 3 integral dx divided by root of x square minus a square, which is in this case 16 by 9. So now we need to know what is the formula for this. So you need to know integral dx divided by root of x square minus a squared is equal to log of x plus root of x square minus a squared plus c. So let's apply that particular formula here. So 1 by 3 log of, this is x plus square root of x square minus 16 by 9 plus c. Now we are going to take the LCM. So this will become 1 by 3 log of x plus, this is root of 9 x square minus 16 divided by root 9. So I'm making it as 3 plus c. And in the next step, like in the previous subsection, I'm going to write this 3 here, but I'm going to remove this 3 because by 3 it will be a constant which I can tag along with the constant plus c. So your final answer will look as 1 by 3 log of 3x plus square root of 9x square minus 16 plus c. In the next video, we will find the solution to the second question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.